right, lesson 6-8 on pages 235 and 236. So I'm going to get you started doing one problem in each section, and then I'm going to turn you loose to finish it up and then check your work with the answer key. So the first section says, write each fraction as a sum of unit fraction and as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So remember, when we see the word sum, we know we're talking about the answer to an addition problem. And when we see the word product, we know we're talking about the answer to a multiplication problem. So they give you 2 lines for each fraction. So 4/7. If we write it as a sum, we know we're going to add. And we also might remember that a unit fraction always has the same numerator, and the numerator of a unit fraction is always 1. So 4/7 is going to equal 4 1/7. Okay, the second part says, remember there's the and as a product, multiply, of a whole number and a unit fraction. So again, I've got my unit fraction. Now I'm going to multiply, and I want a whole number. So I'm thinking, how many 1/7 do I have? I have 4 of them. You can also see here that multiplication is the shortcut for addition. We can do 1/7, 1/7, 1/7 plus 1/7, or we can multiply 4 times 1/7. Okay, draw a model for each problem and then solve. They don't give you much room here, but we can squeeze in our models. I always use rectangles because they're the easiest to split up evenly. So I'm going to draw some rectangles, and then I'm going to divide those rectangles into fourths. Now I've got 1/4, so each one of these little boxes is 1/4.